it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today is May the 5th, Cinco de Mayo. It's Saturday, and I actually just wanted to come on here really quickly to say hey to you guys, first of all, because it's been a little while, and give you guys a little update of what's been going on and show you around my place, and show you what I have done to it so far. This is gonna be a quick little video because I'm actually headed out to meet some friends. Supposed to be headed out now. I'm 30 minutes late and I'm never late. But I just want to give you guys this tour real quick since my place is pretty much clean. And yeah, so let's get right into it. Okay, so this is what my living area is looking like right now. I got my couch in here. My couch always looks so purple, but it's really gray, you guys. It's the Madison, I think it's called the Madison sofa from Rooms to Go. I'm just gonna open up my blinds really quick because it's a little dark in here. But yeah, this is my sofa. These are not the pillows that I want on here. I might keep these two velvet ones, but these outside ones are gonna go, and so is that fur one. But it's just what I had already, so I just put it down. Just a little throw rug there and my blanket, and I just have my old lamp here. So I don't have my TV or any decorations in here yet. I'm still waiting on a good sale to buy a TV because I do want a nice size TV for in here. And I just have a chair in here, a globe, my globe, and my velvet bench that was, all of this is from my old place. Nothing is really new in here. So yeah, this is what the living area is looking like right now. And I did get blinds. I don't know if you remember in the last video I didn't have blinds yet. And right now still have a lot of boxes in my dining area that I need to get through. These two actually are trash. They're where my nightstands came in, and the rest, some things I'm keeping, some things I need to put in storage. So I need to get some containers and organize those things and get rid of the boxes. And I just have some, this part is kind of done. So this is like my entryway area. I don't know if you remember, this was under my TV in my last place. This little purple cabinet that I got from Target. And I just have my old lamp that's both from Target. That little black and white box is from Target. And that orchid, fake orchid I've had for years. I don't even remember where that's from. And this picture was in my gallery wall. Well, not picture, this little quote thing was in my gallery wall. I got this from Home Goods, I believe, and that one back there too from Home Goods. So I just put this one here, so when I'm walking out the door, I don't know if you can tell, it says make today amazing. And so I like that there. I think it fits. It's okay for now. So yeah, and then I just had some white curtains here. I took down the vertical blinds and just put up these white curtains. Those are from Home Goods as well. So yeah, this area is not done. This is the only thing that's done, and I just put my keys in that little box when I'm coming in and out. And for my kitchen area, the only thing I've done over here really is styled some things that I've already had. Nothing's new on these little shelves. All of these things I've had, you've seen in my old place. I keep my kitchen pretty clear of things. I had trouble decorating kitchens, so I'm gonna think of some ways to decorate it and make it look cute. And I just have these old DIY gold letters on my refrigerator. Yeah. So on this wall, I just put some records that I had before up here. I don't know if this is gonna stay right here, but I was pulling out stuff and they just kind of fit right here. But I just put these on the wall because I felt like it. So yeah, if you'll notice right here, it's me. I hung my floor mirror that was leaning in the corner in my old place. My dad and I hung it here. We had to find some studs and get some really strong anchors because it was pretty heavy. But it's up there, very secure now. So I like it right here. I think it makes my hallway look longer, and it's a good little selfie outfit of the day type of spot. And this is my guest room, my mom's room. Whenever she comes, she'll be here actually in a couple next weekend for Mother's Day. But yeah, this is my old bed. I just had this cedar chest. This was in my apartment as well, but it was behind my sofa and I use it for storage. Right now I just have my extra sheets, linens, and blankets in there, and it really works really good in there. The bedding on here, this white bedding, quilted bedding, is from Target. It's from the Opal House collection. It's the white Moroccan bedding. I don't remember exactly what it's called. And these pillows are from Target as well. I don't remember what they're called, but it's part of the Opal House collection as well. I still need to get some curtains in here, and that's an old pillow that I had. I think that's from Target too, but I don't remember, but I've had it for a while. And this cloth right here I got from my mother. This African cloth. I wanted to get this cloth made into pillows, but I just laid it out here just to see if I liked it, and I do, and I might keep it right there. I don't know. And I just have another chair in here. This little corner is just stuff. It's just not gonna stay like this, but that's my other chair that I had, and just a pillow, blanket, some pictures back there. Yeah. Don't mind all this. And my dad mounted this TV here. So yeah. And I also have most of my clothes in this closet here, and towels and things like that. The clothes in my room are like all my work clothes, so they're not fun clothes, but these are like my regular clothes. I won't show you that. So this is my room, and I'm in love with how it has come out so far. It's not done, of course, but so I'll start off with my rug. This is actually 2 rugs. I got them from Ross. They were like $40 each, and I just put them side by side. They're not laying flat underneath because I couldn't lift my bed. My bed was already here by the time I got the rugs, but can't really tell. My bed is from American Signature Furniture. This quilt is from Tuesday Morning. These pillows are from TJ Maxx, and my gray bedding is Target. This is not like an official tour, so I don't know why I give you all the details, but I just wanted to show you what everything is looking like right now. I got these 2 mirrored nightstands from Wayfair, and I just got them last week. I just have a candle burning up there. That's mahogany teak wood, and my speaker and a coaster right now. And on the other side, just my laptop and some things, just some candle holders in there. I still need to get curtains in here. I think I want to do curtains still, and maybe like some grayish curtains that are similar to my bed. And then those are just some pictures in that corner that I think I might put in here. I don't know. And I just have my TV mounted as well. I need to hide these cords. And that's really all that's going on in here. I didn't want to put a whole lot in here. Sorry for the blurriness. And there's my closet. Like I said, it's all my work clothes, and I'm storing some things in there, so it's not really cute. But yeah, that is pretty much everything. And yeah, so it's pretty clean. I'm loving it so far, you guys. And I do plan on clearing out these boxes this weekend. Tomorrow I'm gonna get the containers tomorrow or today and go through these and get this done, because I can't stand to look at it anymore. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. All right, guys, so that's all I have for right now. I just want to give you a quick update. I'm about to head out because I have people waiting on me. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about what I've done so far below in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with your friends. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.